Kate here with WTI, and this is Toby. And if you groom your pet at home, this grooming vacuum from HomeRunPet is going to be a total game changer. It seriously is a home run. This makes cutting your pet's hair so much easier. So you turn on the vacuum. There are 3 different settings. They are not very loud. It doesn't scare my dog at all. And then you can add attachments to the hose. It's a nice long hose with a nice long cord, so you have a lot of mobility. There are some grooming attachments and then some cleaning attachments. My favorite is the buzzer so that I can cut my pet's hair. So I have a mini golden doodle. He needs regular haircuts and I just don't want to take him to the groomers. So this makes it so easy. It pulls the hair in so that you have a nice clean cut. I've used many different clippers on him and this has been a total breeze. It has several different attachments so you can choose how long you want their hair to be. And then as it fills up, you can just empty the canister and start over. For a full haircut on Toby, I have to empty it about 3 times. Now, I'm not a professional. I miss hairs here and there, but he looks super cute in the end and I'm so happy with it. It also comes with attachments to be able to comb your pet. So my friend's puppy, it's a Mastiff, she came over and she was able to comb her fur and it collected it so well. It makes it so that you don't have a mess. Previously, I'd been cutting Toby's hair in my kitchen and you can imagine the fur that was everywhere. This has it all contained in one spot. Brushing, grooming, all of those things have never been easier. And then in the end, it also has some cleaning attachments. So if there is the odd piece of fur that lands on the floor, you can just vacuum that right up. It has to be in my top few things that I've ever had for my dog. It is such an incredible product. I cannot recommend it enough. It's an absolute must-have, and that's my point of view.